Today we're going to be doing a video trying to do a picture or colouring better than ADC Art Attack. He's got the skill, he's got the talent, I've got pens and stuff. So the challenge is, can I do the drawing as well as him? Not sure, probably not. Okay, so ADC Art Attack basically put out on his feed that you could colour in using the same book as him. So I basically got the same book so that I could follow along and learn a few things from ADC Art Attack. So the first thing he does in his video is he puts down like a light blue layer for Sonic. In his video he does the whole picture. You should go and check it out, it's really good. But just because I'm practicing and trying to learn, I'm just gonna do Sonic today. Okay, so following his video was really good because I got to see basically his process. So he starts off adding in this lighter blue and then moving on to darker blues. I think it's really important because I'd watched his video already and then decided to follow it. I'd already picked out the blues I was going to use and I tested them all out. So I think that's really important. And then just seeing where he was putting the light and dark was really useful. Because sometimes you're not sure. Obviously you think this is where the light's coming from, so this is where the dark will be. But it's really good to follow along someone who's really professional like he is. Yeah, so we're just blending using those three colours, putting the dark bits on, then going over with some of the lighter colours, then adding more dark, and blending them in with the light colours, and just keep going and going and going. What I really liked about his pictures, where the light was hitting, he sort of had a light source. It was kind of like a green or yellow light as well. So as you see progression, he adds that in. I think he adds that in with a bit of his pencil crayon later on. So I'll have a go at that as well. And then for these skin tony bits, like the sort of cream and brown colours, I'm just doing the same thing, following along, watching how he does it, and then basically having a go myself. I think it's really good doing it in a colouring book because you can just really concentrate on your blending and colouring and thinking about the light and dark instead of just thinking, oh, if I colour in my picture and I ruin it, it's going to be terrible. It doesn't really matter if you go wrong in a colouring book. Okay, so you can see here I've started to try and go in with some of the pencil crayons as well. I found this bit's the trickiest bit because I'm not used to doing it. And actually I was a bit lazy and I didn't sharpen my pencil colours. So that's something I think I'll definitely need to do next time. But yeah, it started to really come together as I got more used to it. I think the more colours you have, the better. But what I was working with was really good. Also, having really good quality pencil crayons is always going to help. So I didn't have a super dark red or blue, so I was just using the black to try and get some more darker tones. I'm not sure if this was the best thing to do, but on parts of it, it did start to look really good, so I was really happy with that. It's just about experimenting and having a go at stuff, otherwise you're never ever going to learn if you're afraid of going wrong. Right, so massive thanks to ADC Art Attack for putting out some really good content and some stuff that's just really good to follow along with. I've learnt loads from him, and I just thought it'd be really good if you guys had a look and see what you could learn as well. So I hope you check that out, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace!